Hello friends, my name is Sriyan Sharma. Today we learn phonic sounds. Let's start. A says A as in apple. B says B as in bat. C says K as in cat. D says D as in doll. E says A as in egg. F says as in fish. G says G as in gift. H says H as in hat. I says E as in ice cream. J says J as in jug. K says K as in kite. L says L as in lion. M says as in mango. N says as in nest. O says O as in octopus. P says P as in parrot. Q says P as in queen. R says R as in rat. S says S as in sun. T says T as in toothbrush. U says O as in umbrella. V says O as in van. W says V as in watch. X says S as in Xmas tree. Y says Y as in yo-yo. Z says Z as in zebra. Thank you.